and he didn't run 40 yards. God, I watched him fall too. Man, that was awesome. Yes, sir.
We came in here, he sat in one food plot, I sat in the other, and I just got the luck of the draw, I guess.
I know I hit him because he buckled. I'm gonna give him a little bit, and then I'm gonna go out there and look for him. He didn't even make it 50 yards from where I shot him. Good morning, guys. This is Blake here with you again. I'm out here hunting this morning. It's Wednesday morning. I'm off the rest of the week. I brought my bow with me. I brought my rifle and my bow. If I see I got some corn out 30 yards. If I see a big doe I like, I'm gonna take it with my bow. But that's pretty much all I got this morning, which the deer didn't move too much last night. It's real foggy this morning, which I hope is a good thing. So we'll see. Y'all stay tuned. As you just saw, I just shot a buck. I'm gonna give him a little bit, and then I'm gonna go out there and look for him. He ran across the hump. I don't know how far. I don't think he ran too far the way he was running. I can't wait to go find him and put my hands on him. Y'all stay tuned. He didn't even make it 50 yards from where I shot him. He's laying here dead in the field. Let's walk up here to him. Well, guys, got it done this morning. This decent little 8-point. Can't complain with him. This is my first ever film kill I've ever done. Self-filming. I got my camera propped up on my gun, on my tripod for my gun, which is pretty wicked. I had to just jerry-rigged it because I really couldn't figure out a way to rig the camera up in my blind. But I got it all figured out, and it's just, good Lord bless me this morning. It was a good, cool morning, 32, good frost on the ground. I'm tickled to death with it. Remember, y'all like, subscribe, and follow Tater Rich TV on YouTube, Instagram. Y'all have a good day. Friday morning. I'm back here on some public land this morning. And, I didn't hunt yesterday. I spent yesterday with my family doing Thanksgiving and stuff. It's a cool morning this morning. Hopefully we'll see something. But y'all stay tuned. Boys. Oh my God. Yeah, boy. Oh boy. That was awesome right there. Yes, sir. Man, what a time. God, I knew this spot was gonna pay off eventually. 20 yards I shot him at. And he didn't run 40 yards. God, I watched him fall too. Man, that was awesome. Yes, sir. Well, guys, got it done here on public land this morning. Good 7 point. But his eyes messed up. He's been fighting. Gouged him pretty good right there. I about missed him. But it all happened so fast. Hell, by the time I saw him, he was 20 yards away. He's about 30 yards away from me. And by the time I got the camera on him and stuff, he was 20 yards. And I shot him. But he's a good buck, I think. He's been horning some trees too, been fighting a little bit and everything. But good Lord blessed me this morning. I'm tickled to death with him. And I'm tagged out now. Killed an 8 and a 7. So guys, it's Blake here again. I thought I was tagged out, but not quite yet. I still got some WMA tags, some bonus deer hunts, and this is the last bonus hunt for the WMA that's here at home. So we're gonna get after it. I'm about to get dressed, put my hunting clothes on. I got my boots warming up by the buddy heater right now. It's probably in the mid-20s, and it's 1 o'clock, 1:30 right now, somewhere around there. Y'all stay tuned. We're definitely gonna get after it, and I will get with y'all in a little bit. Guys, we got to set up here. Watching a food plot this afternoon. Well, what they would call a food plot, it ain't much. It's just a big field in the middle of the woods. So, I mean, who knows? Well, guys, we got it done today. I shot this buck first, and a bunch of pigs came in after I shot this buck. This buck's been getting in fights. He got some brow tines broke off, so that tells me there's a bigger buck around here.
Showing that brow tine, Blake.
Right there. And we'll G2 and G3 right there. And that tells me there's a bigger buck around here. We're on the WMA. I got one more bonus tag left now after this one. And I can't wait to feel it. This right here, me and my buddy Jake, we came in here. He sat one food plot, I sat in the other, and I just got the luck of the draw, I guess. But I'm pleased to death. I can't complain with it. Got this deer, got this big old sow right here. So I'm tickled to death with it. That's just how it played out, and I'm glad it played out like it. It's just, this has been one of the most hardest, rewarding, and hunting seasons that I've had. So I'm tickled to death with it, and I can't wait to go find him and put my hands on him. Y'all stay tuned.